Alright guys, so my little sisters are being kind of crazy, so I'm being a little quiet and closer to the camera. So today we got the state fair corn dogs, nuked it in the microwave for 50 to 55 seconds. It's like 10:30 right now. It's pretty good, but like with anything frozen, better in the air fryer. But I just dropped mango nugget off at her apartment and just got home. I was feeling a little hungry, so I found this. Yeah, 10 out of 10, highly recommend the state fair corn dogs. You can't go wrong with it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, it has a good texture. I like the cornbread around it, but yeah, not freezer burnt. Don't know how long it's been in the freezer, and yeah, overall good flavor. But I do like to make my usual dipping sauce for it, but I was just too lazy today. And yeah, I appreciate you all, and I hope you have a wonderful time of day or night that you see this, and I'll see you in the next one.